Hi guys, welcome to MyGlamm. I'm Siddhi and today I'll show you how to do your full face makeup using some viral trends. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on. That was it for the video guys. Do try out your full face look using these viral trends and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also let us know what new looks would you want us to create. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MyGlamm for more such fun makeup tutorials. Bye.